Today I'm headed towards Europe for the first time. I have a couple of flights, so I'm spending a bit of time in airports. Luckily, I'm able to enjoy some of the lounges a bit. Hannover, Germany will be my main destination. I'm fortunate to be able to stay with my friends Celine and Fabian here in this incredible city. Immediately upon arrival, we go out for a classic German dinner of currywurst, pommes, and beer. A great start to the trip. Once I get over my jet lag, I'm going to head out and do the Red Thread tour, which is a really great way to see Hannover. We got my guidebook at the City Hall, but I believe that you can also get it here at the Tourism Center, as well as a digital copy online. The Red Thread is essentially a line painted through the city with 36 stops of the highlights of Hannover. You can start at any point in the city as it is a loop, but I'm starting at stop number 1, which is here at the Tourism Center. I will admit I missed stop number 2, which is a shopping area, but stop 3 is here at the Hannover Opera House. I will also admit, sometimes it was a little challenging to tell what I was supposed to be looking for. Stop number 4 was George Street, which is just this street I'm on here, I think. I somehow missed stops 5 and 6, but stop 7 is the Aegidien Church, which was partially destroyed from air raids of World War II. Its remains are left standing as a memorial to the victims of the war. This bell here was given by Hiroshima and is a memorial to the victims of Hiroshima atomic bombings. Right outside of the church is stop number 8, which is called the Spartan Stone. It's said that this is the headstone of 7 people who died defending the city in 1480. Stop number 9 is an art gallery, which I did not visit, but looks like a cool place if you have time. Point number 10 is the Archer statue in front of the new town hall. It's pointed right towards the mayor's office. Stop number 11 is the new town hall itself. It's really beautiful inside and definitely worth the stop. At number 12, we have a museum of ancient civilizations. I did not stop here, and instead I'm detouring around the other side of the town hall to Maschpark, where you can get beautiful reflective views of the building. This is probably one of my favorite areas in Hannover. After making my way around the main loop of the park, I'm back on the Red Thread at stop 13, which is this coat of arms. 14 is the Lavis House, former home of an architect who designed many of the buildings in Hanover. And 15 is the Wangenheim Palace, also designed by this architect. 16 is called the Waterloo Column, although it is a little far out to sea from this spot. Stop 17 is Flusswasserkunst, which I believe translates to river water art. This area was formerly a water pumping station. Stop 18 is a view of the Leinschloss Bridge with the town hall in the background. '19 is the High Bank, and you can see the old town from here on this side of the river. I'm a little over halfway through this tour now. Without going into the museums and with the whole detour, I would say I will end up spending about 3 hours this morning to visit most of these stops. I'd say the perfect time allotment would be half a day to do the red thread. Stop 20 features these sculptures called nanas. Not really my kind of art. Honestly, they make me a little bit uncomfortable. Moving along to stop 21, which is the gate to the old town. And 22 is the oldest house in Hanover. At 23, we have the Holy Cross Church, which was built in 1333 and is Hanover's oldest church. '24 was off the path on the other side of the church, and it's the Duve Chapel, which is the family tomb of Johann Duve, a big businessman in Hanover. Stop 25 is called Ballhof and is a square which contains a theater. Stop 26 is another museum. I missed it on the ground, but number 27 is a building a little bit off the red line. '28 is called the Leibniz House, which was a home to a significant local scholar before it became a conference center. Stop 29 is Kramerstrasse, which is this beautiful pedestrian street with shops and pubs. And at the end of the street is number 30, which is the Market Church. I can see why it has this name. Stop 31 is Old Town Hall. '32 is this gargoyle called the Head of Envy, supposedly to keep out evil spirits. Stop 33 is Market Hall, which is in the middle of the city and is said to be a good place to get all sorts of food. Unfortunately, my phone was about to die and I had to figure out how to get back to Celine's place before I had to log on for work for the day, so I didn't have much time to stop. Number 34 is the city center. I'm starting to get a bit concerned with how I'm going to find my way back with 2% battery, so I'm getting a little distracted from the tour. There are 2 stops remaining that I didn't get to right now. 35 is Kröpcke, the central square. We will come back there later. And 36 is the Ernst August monument, which is situated right in front of the main train station. It is a meeting point which people refer to as under the tail, as in the tail of the horse, which I'm also told has a different, more expletive meaning when saying this in German. I don't have any footage because I was filming with my phone that died, but I did eventually navigate back through the city to Celine's place, just in time to log in for work. Since I'm working on US Eastern Time, I started working around 1 p.m. local time. And like I mentioned, we would also return to Kröpcke. This is another day. It was really cool with people singing in the square. This evening we're doing some neon mini golf.
Entrance.
With the glasses, everything was three-dimensional illusion, which was very cool. And now for dinner at Brauhaus Ernst August, which is named after the same guy with the horse statue.
Prost!
Okay, so this is the Rahmschnitzel.
Rahmschnitzel.
What did you get? Goat cheese salad.
Oh, and I got the Bahnferkel Wollbraten.
Okay. Wait, hold on, wait, one more.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, wir trinken jetzt. Ja, hallo, wir trinken jetzt dreimal Lutze Lager.
Hey! What you do is put like both glasses in your hand. It's dark beer and corn. And then do it more or less like this, and then you drink. Higher. Yes. Okay.
Most of mine got there. On another day, we go down to the market that is set up in their neighborhood.
So, Rachel is about to experience like the one of the most traditional German breakfast food. It's called Mett Brötchen. So it's raw meat, raw pork. And on top of that you have a little bit of onion, pepper and salt. All right. Let's see.
Let's go. I like it a lot.
Yeah.
It's really good. Mm-hmm. And for the next video, we'll be heading to Berlin for a quick weekend trip.